Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. First off, I want to say sorry for the delay. We had a lot of issues with people cheating and we had to wait for people to respond to see if their stuff was legit or not. So sorry about that. Also, I was waiting for my audio equipment to come in, but it never did. So I decided just to make the video now and say screw the audio equipment. I'm just going to wait for that and get it later on. But basically, this video is just going to be me going over the winners. And in a separate video, I'll go over every single one of your submissions and critique them. So hopefully you guys are excited for that. Sorry for the long intro. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for number 3, we got Cube's Burnside poster. And when I first saw this, it caught my eye. I really like how you broke it up into 2 sections. So you have like this rearview mirror or whatever the heck that is. I think that's what that is. And then you have the car down here. I don't know, it's just nice composition. I really like it. And that's probably my favorite thing about it. You know, the text is not bad. I would do different font and all that, but I'm not here to critique, I'm just here to tell you the winners. And in my next video, I'll critique all of them anyways, so don't worry about that. So yeah, this was number 3. I liked it a lot, mainly because of the composition, split up like that. That really, I don't know, I like that a lot. So that's why I decided to choose this as number 3. So let's move on to number 2. Alright, for number 2, we got Galaxy Gamer. And the reason you got second is because as soon as I saw this, it reminded me of Left 4 Dead and like the loading screens of the maps and all that. I'll throw up some pictures on the screen if I can. It just reminded me of Left 4 Dead, and that game was like the best back in the day. I used to always play it. So I think it was a little bit of nostalgia that got to me. I don't know, I just thought about Left 4 Dead. So, but yeah, I mean, even besides that, it's a pretty nice poster. I like how you incorporated the house as the H. That's super creative. I like that a lot. And the text is all gritty, grungy, and that fits with the background. The only thing I would say is maybe have like a high resolution background. But yeah, it's a really nice one. It's simple, and it reminds me of Left 4 Dead. So yeah. All right, let's move on to the next person. All right, for number 1, we got Budgie Plays and Psychonex. So they're number 1, and that means they're gonna win all of the free stuff. So congratulations to you guys. You guys were super. No, I'm just kidding. You guys did not win. That would be not cool. So yeah, you definitely didn't win. Who won? Let's see. Actually, Spiderblocks won. So sorry guys, but you lost. Anyways, this one is super sick. I really like it. I don't know. It's laid out really nicely, and I like how it's like gray color tones and all that. It really sets a vibe, a spooky vibe, and yeah, I mean, that's really all there is to it. It looks really nice and clean, and I have nothing bad to say about it. Even got all the text down there, which is cool. But yeah, good job. You guys all did good, except for the cheaters. You guys suck. And so thank you guys for participating. If you did, I'll do more of these in the future. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.